kilala tayo dito eh. Kasi tayo ay mga medyo mas matatanda over the other side. Kaya, kilalanin natin sila ha. Kilalanin muna natin sila. Actually, they are from that si Bea. Tama? Si Bea. Si Bea. Asan naman si Bea? Oy, si Bea. By the way, for your information, wala na po si Bea sa PCU ngayon. Wala na, it's si Baa na. Kasi dati, College or Center for Business Economics and Accountancy, right? Ngayon, College of Business Administration and Accountancy na. But then,
Best memories are always with best friends. Like Lance Hogarth, Ganis Canyo, Pastor Ray. Pagka nakikita ko sila lahat, may buong memory lahat ng ano eh. Mga kalokohan, mga ano. Venue. Kaya kada isa sa inyo, may memory sa akin lahat eh. No? Lalo si Reg, no? Kakampi ko dati sa USG. So Stanley, lagi ko na nakikita yan, idol ko yan.
Ako po si Janice Joy, Cardinal mga raeg. Dati akong comp-sci, then shift ako ng elementary education. So, best memory?
US. So, right now, I'm working in a bank for 25 years. Security bank. Memorable, siguro, Lawrence, I was saving the best for last, pero anyway. Saan ba ako? Ulit. Take two. Alvin Pre. I'm the former USG president. Kasama ko si Ryan. 1999-2000. Kasama ko rin sila Gani and Lawrence. Memorable siguro. First is that, did you know that I came to know Christ when I entered PCU? Kasi prior joining PCU, I was a Catholic. Yan siguro pinaka-the best dun eh. And then second, siguro, the fondest memory that I had was, ito, mga makukulit. Dahil yan, ginagawa lang ng issue, nagpasagawa ko ng ano. Tatandaan mo yun, Lech? When the politics then was so hot, I was the so-called tuta eh, di ba? So one day, during the election fever, nagkaroon ng issue eh. Si Alvin nalasing ng gabi. Nagbasag sa...
In your leadership journey with PCU. Okay. So, 1997, when I started working with the Office of Student Affairs. So, ang SA namin noon ay yan, si Sir Stanley, si Ma'am Lot, yan, sila. And then the student leaders. And I thank God for each one of you. Because I know that because of PCU, God touched your life.
Yes.
One way or another, He touched your life through that institution. And I'm so glad, joyful in fact, because some of you really knew Jesus Christ, accepted Jesus Christ as His Lord and Savior. He's or her Lord and Savior because of our institution, our beloved institution. And I'm still connected with PCU. For 18 years, I worked with the Office of Student Affairs up to from 1997 up to 2015. But now I requested to be transferred sa academe, so teaching na ako ngayon personnel, and I am with the College of Arts and Sciences. Yan. Yes! CAS! Okay, handling general education courses kasi nagbago na yung curriculum natin eh. Unlike nung kayong nandun, ang dami-dami yung English subjects, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, my field lead, my world lead, my technical writing. Wala na po yung mga ngayon. Yeah. So anyway, PCU also touched my life through knowing people, developing people, helping people, hopefully helping them know Christ as well. Yun yung actually yung purpose ko din sa pagtuturo, to touch the lives of my students. I am proud to be your ate. Hindi na po ako ma'am ngayon. I am your ate. Siguro some of you saw me sa student affairs. Kasi kung 2002 kayo, ano na ako. Sinamang pick up noon.